So you just found an amazing world with amazing buildings from an amazing creator, and maybe you saw some beautiful builds that you want to check out for yourself. Maybe a little bit like this, like my world. And yes, if you're interested in my buildings, they are all on my channel, so go check it out. Anyway, you found a nice world that you really want to check out. The only thing is, you don't know how to download the world. And that's something that I will explain in today's video. So welcome to a new video. My name is Ross, and today I will explain how you can download a Minecraft world and how you can play it for yourself. And before we actually start doing that, I immediately want to explain that this is only for people that have Java Minecraft. So Bedrock edition will not work with this, I think. But if you play like Java or Microsoft edition, this should work. Of course, anybody that is playing on phone or tablet will also not work, just so you know. Anyway, with that out of the way, let me explain how you can download a world like this. Because yes, this world is downloadable. You can actually go and download this world and fly around for yourself and check out all the buildings. But a lot of people actually don't know how to do that. And I will explain exactly step by step how you can actually get into this world. And as I said in the beginning, this world is downloadable. So all the buildings that you see right now around me, that's the world that I have created with a lot of cool buildings. And if this is the first video you watch, go check out my channel because all these buildings are out there. And some of them are even block by block tutorials. So for the people that are interested, go check it out. Anyway, let's start with this screen right here. The actual launcher of Minecraft. Of course, you have your single player, multiplayer and all of that. And when you press on single player, you will have the list of all the worlds you have. And right now, I have a lot of copy worlds. Anyway, we want to download a world and you should be able to see it right here. Click on it and then be able to play the world. Now, how are we going to do that? So, as you can see, we are out of Minecraft. This is my desktop, and as you can see, I still use the Windows 10 edition. I immediately want to say this probably should work on a Mac, but for a Mac, everything is laid out a little bit different. So for the Mac users, maybe you have to find it out, or otherwise you have to find another tutorial. So welcome at my desktop, and for this download to work, we need a few things. For example, we need, of course, Minecraft, which I assume you have. And also we need WinRAR. And WinRAR is basically a very simple tool. It's a nice tool to have because it can zip the files and it can unzip zip files. So it can compress files together. Next to these two things, we also need the Minecraft folder, and we also need the download itself, of course. So let's start with WinRAR. So if you don't have WinRAR, it's a very simple tool. It's nice to have. Maybe you don't need it for the download, but still it's nice to have. So very simple. If you want to download WinRAR, just go to internet, go to Google and type in download WinRAR and go to the first link and you will see this page. Click on the download WinRAR. Probably you will get some kind of advertisement screen. Please don't click on anything other than download, and probably you should find that you have downloaded on the top right of your screen. For the Windows 11 people, maybe you won't have it over here. Maybe it will look a little bit different, but still it's nice to just simply download this and that's it. If you've done that, you will have this thing on your desktop named WinRAR. For now, we don't really need anything else than just having this on your computer. You don't have to open it, you don't have to do anything with it, so let's just put this aside. So for the next step, we actually need the download. And how do we get the download of the world? Well, also very simple. Go to YouTube, go to my channel, or any other YouTube channel of Minecraft that also uses a download link. Go to the most newest video, because then you have the newest download as well. And for me, you can find it over, for example, on this video over here. And then go to show more. And when you click on show more, you can see that there is a nice download link you can click on to get my world. So for example, this channel, ilmango, also uses the same kind of way of downloading a world. So if you go to one of his videos, for example this one, you go down to show more, and as you can see, world download and also a link. So many YouTubers or many Minecraft YouTubers use Mediafire for this. It could be also in different form, but just find the link to a download. So back to my channel. If this is the first time you see my channel, yeah, go check out my videos. Anyway, so you can either click on the newest video, for example on this one, or you can, in my case, go to the community tab, because 6 days ago I made a community post where I said that the world is updated with also the link as well. This is the exact same link. But for this video, let's just go to a video and do it the right way. Go to show more. And then you have the link over here. We click on it and you will be sent to this Mediafire. Now, it could be the case that it automatically downloads for you. If it doesn't, just click on the download button and don't touch anything else. You will probably get a different screen. Just click away. So I will show you. Click on it, click this away, and that's it. What you saw popping up was a scam or an advertisement. Just click away, and as you can see right here, downloads, we have the download right here. Now you can click on this one, so you can see it in which map it is located. But what you can also do is just click this away, go to your maps. For example, mine is over here. So for the Windows 11 people, that is right here. As you can see, this is just an image on Google, but you can see you have the loop over here and you have the map over here. So for the Windows 11 people, you have to find that map. For me, it's over here because I'm still in Windows 10. Click on it and then go to downloads, which should be just below your desktop. So go to download and there you have it. There is the download. So for now, I will place it on the desktop. So we have our download, and as you can see, it is in WinRAR logo because it's a zip file, and WinRAR will automatically combine all it together and make sure that everything works out. That's why we needed WinRAR, because then you get this icon. If it's really needed, I don't know, but for now I know that it is very helpful. So we have the download of the world, and of course you want it in Minecraft. Now how are we going to do this? It's not as simple as just dragging this into Minecraft, sadly. What we have to find is the Minecraft folder. And for the people that don't know, it's very simple actually to find it. It's pretty hidden, but all we have to do is go to this loop down here, or for Windows 11 people that is a little bit different. Just go to this loop and type in % and then app data and then percentage again. And you will be presented with this map right here. Go to this map. And then right in this map you will see .minecraft. Of course, everything else can be a little bit different for you because I have other things downloaded on my computer. But go to .minecraft folder, click on it, and then you see this. Now for you it can be a little bit different because, as I said, I have a lot of other things downloaded as well. For example, I have Fabric, I have Optifine, I have the replay mod. So as you can see, there are a lot of things that you probably don't have, and that's fine. All you need is the saves folder, because in the saves folder, as you can click on it, all your worlds are in here, as you can see. So all the worlds that you have created are in this map right here. So if you go into Minecraft and you would make a new world and name it, I don't know, test world 1, you will see that there is a little file right here named test world 1. So we want this downloaded map into this folder. Now it's also not as easy as just drag it and drop it, because that doesn't work. What we have to do is we have to click on this WinRAR zipped folder, and as you do that, you will be presented with this. Now as you can see right here is the map that we actually want. This is the actual map. So what we then are going to do is keep this one open like this, and this one like so, and simply we have to grab this file with the name, grab it and drop it right here. That's all you have to do. So you can click away the WinRAR, the download, you don't need it anymore. And as you can see in this folder, we now have 1.18.1 General Ross Modern and Victorian build flat world, or something like that. Anyway, as you can see, the world is now in this folder. You don't have to do anything else, just click away You don't need to download as well, so you can also delete that one, and all you have to do is open Minecraft. So we are back in Minecraft again. We go to single player and you can see all the worlds, and as you can see 1.18.1 GR modern and Victorian builds flat world updated January to 2023 world is in your folder. Is right here. Maybe you have to scroll down, maybe it's something somewhere different than just up here, but you should have this world, and the world should be named GR modern / Victorian 1.18.1. So of course, as you can see, the version is 1.18.1, so don't forget that. If you don't play in 1.18.1, this world may be corrupted or won't work exactly, so please make sure you play in 1.18, and you can probably play as well in a higher version, but then just some updates may break some blocks. Anyway, when you have done that, you can click on it, you can play the world. Let's test it. And there you go. So as you can see, you have the world. You can just fly around, you can check out the world itself and check out all the buildings, and you can enjoy it with maybe your friends or something. Maybe you learn some cool tricks to decorate your own buildings, and I hope you enjoy this amazing world. So before I let you guys go, I want to tell you that yes, this video is pretty short and I'm working on some new cool videos, so it just takes a little bit longer than expected. So don't worry, some new tutorials and stuff that will come in the future. I'm working on really cool projects at the moment, so don't you worry, it will come. Anyway, thank you so much for all the love and support, especially on the last video. I'm really happy of the support that I get for my channel. It's just incredible how many new people every day joins this community. So guys, if you're new, thank you all so much. And thank you so much for watching. And I hope I could help you out with downloading this world for yourself. Now there will also be a tutorial of how you can download schematics for Create Mod. But I have to find out how to work with that. So that tutorial will come out soon as well. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, if you're new here, you can check out the world for yourself, or you can check out my channel for all these amazing builds and how you can create them. So thank you all so much, and I see you guys in the next video.